Hi, and welcome to a new episode of Marketing Talks by OSB, where we discuss marketing hot trends, advertising and branding, hot issues, and so much more with stellar guests. I am your host, Jessie, and let's dive in today with our guest, Eli Sarkis. Hello, Eli.
Hello.
Are you ready for our new episode?
Definitely.
Today we will be discussing AI in social media, and because you are a managing partner at Interact International and you are also a digital marketing trainer and consultant, we want to hear everything from you.
Sure.
And my first question for you will be basically, how did AI revolutionize the social media industry and the whole world on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok?
Well, AI changed so many things when it comes to the consumer and also to the brands and companies working on social media. So we can mention the automated customer service when we text a business or a creator on social media. So sometimes we're already interacting with AI and automated messages, the content and the way we create content using AI.
Yes.
So videos, images, any kind of format or content. And in addition to definitely the interaction and the experience that we have on social media, so we have now trends made with AI. So the change has been made on all levels.
You mentioned everything in a nutshell, but I want to go into details.
Sure.
Let's speak first about the content that is made by AI. And platforms now, they are showing us that this content is made by AI. But do you think people do really care if this is a video made by AI or just me as a content creator?
Definitely, because as creators, we can create content using AI, but for some people, they like the content to be genuine. So sometimes they won't care if the message is interesting, they like what they see, but definitely unconsciously, sometimes they like the content to be genuine.
Yes.
Maybe they will think that, fine, this content is made by AI, but if it's a regular content, maybe it will be more appealing and interacting to them.
And what about fake videos? Because sometimes, by the way, speaking of content, here you're mentioning that we have to be special, we have to be unique.
Yeah.
Otherwise, AI will be making the same video for so many content creators, right?
Exactly. Imagine we open Instagram, for example, and we have all content made with AI. So
Yes.
where's our touch? Where's the human touch?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And so I wanted also to ask about the fake videos that we're sometimes witnessing on social media as well.
Yeah.
Can people detect those videos?
Sure. It's happening a lot. Unfortunately, some people are using the AI videos to in inappropriate way, if you can say, for hacking and stuff. But definitely, we have a lot of AI tools that we can use in order to detect the fake and the real videos. So if you go to Google and search for AI face detector, so you'll have a lot of tools. Some of the tools are free, some others are paid. But we can definitely know if the video is fake or real.
Okay.
Also, we can monitor the gestures, the body language, the lip sync in the video, so we can know if it's made with AI or it's a real video.
And what is the role of AI on social media when it comes to customer service? I heard there are so many chatbots already installed.
Yeah, so we used to see customer service and the chatbots on the website when you go and click on the live chat.
Yes.
So we are familiar with the automation that happens on the website.
Yes.
Now, even on social media, for example, on Instagram, we have a tool called ManyChat. ManyChat is used to create some sort of automation when someone reach out to us using a specific keyword. So we can treat and we can make the tool smart. So the tool can know if the content, let's say, is talking about a specific topic, what the response would be. So this tool is very nice. Businesses, creators, they can use this tool to create automation, to increase followers, to convert followers into leads. So we can benefit from this tool in order to convert people from visitors to leads and then to customers, and this is how we grow organically on social media.
But I think this is for general questions, right? But if a client has a complaint or a problem, then they can ask to refer to a chat agent, do you think?
Definitely. And we can implement this on the website. So we can talk with an AI, and companies are showing that this is an AI. And then we have an option to talk to a human or talk to agent. So we can definitely choose to talk to a human. Yeah, but once the AI is created in a smart way, then it will be easier and people will enjoy the smooth experience if the AI was smart. So it depends on the way we implement, and we work on the AI customer service, chatbot, or even the messages automation.
All right. Now I have a question for you that was prepared by AI. Are you ready?
Let's see.
Okay. So is it possible to control the fact that sometimes we talk about something and we suddenly see the same topic as ads online?
Yes. Do you know what's the reason for this?
The microphones.
The microphones, exactly. So when we download applications on iOS, Android, any device, so we already allow those apps to access the microphone. So that's why sometimes we talk about a brand. So let's say, I don't know, like any brand, let's say you're talking about Pepsi, and suddenly you will see the ad of Coca-Cola running on social media.
Okay.
So this is how the mobile advertising, when a brand targets another brand based on the microphone.
Nice.
So to answer your question, if we want to limit these advertising, the experience in general, we can definitely go to the settings, turn off the microphone permission to any app that we don't use. So we can limit as much as we can the access to our voice and the microphone.
So here we are interacting with AI without us knowing it.
Yeah.
It's becoming part of the
Definitely.
experience even without our consent sometimes.
True.
Because those microphones, maybe by default, they are on when we download the app. And,
Yes.
and then it's up to us later on to turn them off. Yeah?
Exactly.
Amazing. Now, AI personalization versus human connection. Can we have both?
We should have both because, as we mentioned, if we have only AI personalization, people will miss the human touch, will miss the human interaction, the human content. So the smart thing and the smart strategy for even personal, individual, and business use to have both, to integrate AI in everything that we do, but not to rely only on AI to just handle the process of anything that we're doing.
AI can set the path, get us things done by 80% maybe, but the remaining 20% should be for us to edit, review, and then post.
Yeah, the simple example we can take when we use ChatGPT or Gemini or any content writing tool or text writing. So if we keep the content as is, it will show sometimes that's AI.
Yes.
So for example, how can we control ChatGPT or how can we humanize ChatGPT? When you go to ChatGPT to your account, you can access the settings. And in the settings, you have two parts. I don't know if you've noticed this, the personalized messages, the way you want ChatGPT to respond. And also another section on to introduce yourself.
You were telling me about this the other day. Yes, tell me more.
So what happens next, when you go to the settings, customize the settings, you introduce yourself to ChatGPT, and then you introduce some of previous content, text, anything that you've already worked on. So this way, when you add anything to ChatGPT, a prompt, for example, it will work and it will give you the output very similar to what you do.
To what I usually do or I previously did. Nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing. In terms of voice, in terms of style of writing, maybe.
The tonality, the approach that you are using, the words. You can also mention to avoid using specific words if you don't want to use them. Because now we hear that unleash, embark, many words.
Yes.
People, they feel that it's made using AI. So we can mention to ChatGPT, do not use these words, and the content will be more personalized.
Amazing. And now let's jump to the tools. You know, there are so many tools, hundreds of tools. Like, we know they are there. But which ones do you recommend? Let's help us a little bit. Like, maybe for that specific feature, you recommend this one. Some of them you're using them or you tried them. Can you tell us more?
Sure. So I'll go over some of the tools and every tool, how to use it.
Yes.
So we all know Canva, the design tool.
My favorite. It's for non-designers like me, and still you can do some nice posts. Yes.
And even designers, they use Canva now to accelerate their work and the project.
Real graphic designers are using Canva? Oh, we should not tell anyone.
So for Canva, they integrated AI. So now you can go to Canva and search for, just write a prompt, create a content or a post you add the prompt for any topic. And then Canva will give you a template for your design.
Yes.
So even Photoshop and other Adobe tools, they integrated AI. So for example, if you have a video, you want to crop the video and to do basic editing.
Yes.
It will do the basic editing automatically without even cropping every single part of the video using Adobe Premiere.
Okay.
Other tools,
Yes.
so CapCut, many people use CapCut for video
For video,
editing.
yes, and reels.
Yeah, so when you add the subtitles, you can add multiple subtitles or
Different
captions.
languages, you
Yeah,
mean?
different languages. This is AI doing this.
Ah.
So they can detect the language and give you the output of the languages of
The
your choice.
translation is accurate?
Not always.
much.
It depends, yeah, on the accent, on the language. Now, for people who are not marketeers,
Okay.
anyone can benefit from this.
Yes.
There's a tool called Beautiful.ai.
Mm-hmm.
So Beautiful.ai can help you create presentations.
Uh-huh. This
So-
is good for our students as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So you can go to Beautiful.ai and you can ask the tool to create a slide to show the growth of the clicks or the sales in the past 3 months, for example,
Okay.
by this number to this number.
Mm-hmm.
And within seconds, the graph will be ready, and you can even download it to PowerPoint. So you can have it as a PowerPoint format
Nice.
to add it to your design.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah.
And for creation, high quality creation of videos,
Yeah.
like, you know, now we can say a prompt orally and AI can create the video for us.
Yes, true.
And it's becoming so advanced.
Yeah.
Any tool you recommend, for example, for creating videos,
Um,
text to video or audio to video?
Yeah, actually, we have a tool called HeyJan.com. So HeyJan you can give it the text, and then it will translate the text into a video, and
Okay.
you can even create your own avatar. So,
Avatar,
and your AI version of yourself.
Ah.
So you can create it, and you can directly do the recording of the video. There is another tool. It's 11 Labs.
Okay.
So to create the sound or the voice through AI. So you attach your voice, previous maybe talks you've done, and then it will create a similar voice to Jesse's using AI. So it's your AI voice.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
So
interesting.
yeah, the best thing is to combine all these tools. Let's say if we want to create a video, we can go to CapCut. We can go to Captions on iOS to create the captions. I
Okay.
like the design of Caption. We have a lot of templates and tools. Canva is great for reels, videos, simple reels and posts, and also for presentations as well.
Yes.
They all have AI integrated.
And how can we stay up to date with the tools? Maybe tomorrow there's a new tool, or after tomorrow. Is there a way also to stay up to date with what's coming next?
This is a very important question.
Yes.
Yeah, because we have a tool that introduces us to daily AI tools that are launched every day. So
Daily? We have daily tools?
Imagine how
So if
much
I want to stay up to date, I have to check it every day?
you have to check it, because every day we have around 500 to 700 tools, AI tools that we can use. And the best thing that you can filter these tools by categories. So if you want to create presentations, content writing, text writing, anything, you choose the category, and it will give you all the tools that are recently launched and also that are best rated. So instead of trying the tools,
That's
you
helpful.
can, you can benefit.
Because otherwise, how are we going to choose? And is
Sure.
it easy to use them? Or like, do we need a manual or something? Or it's just
No.
we download and start using? It's easy, right?
No manual. The website is called there'sanaIforthat.com.
Also for that. Okay.
Yeah, this is the name of the website. So when you access the website, you can see all the tools,
Okay.
the best rated tools, the free tools, paid tools, the categories.
Most
the
of them are
filter.
free or paid?
There are so many free tools,
Okay.
and many they have the free version, but also you need to upgrade,
to upgrade
if you
and
want
pay.
to use the premium features.
All right. So we covered most of our topics, and now I want to ask you about. You mentioned a little bit earlier that we can control the ads and how
Yeah.
last we can see them, but can we stop them? Can we control a little bit the privacy of our experience, our privacy? How to maybe to have a better experience? Maybe we want to. You know, we don't want to see lots of ads because you scroll 1-2 times and then we have an ad. 1-2 times and then we have an ad. If we cannot stop them, you mentioned we can maybe have them see them a little bit less.
Yes.
Is there a way to stop them completely?
Actually, it's not that easy to stop the ads, but what we can do in every person's profile on Meta, for example, Facebook, Instagram, so the social media platforms are working on the transparency. As part of this process, when you go to your personal account, you can go to the menu, to the settings, and there's a section called Ad Preferences. In this section, you can see all the details and criteria that the platform knows about you, and the topics that the platform consider that you have interest in these topics to see more ads about. So there's an option to click on see less. You can click on see less so you can avoid seeing all these ads on your feed or anywhere on your profile on Instagram and Facebook.
Listen, we have virtual influencers that were made by AI.
Yeah.
Do you think people will, resonate, follow, buy from them because now they are being used as ambassadors? What's your say about the virtual influencers?
Yeah, it depends on the quality of the content, on what kind of content they share. Sometimes if the AI influencer is sharing valuable content, shareable content, people will enjoy checking the AI influencer. Sometimes it starts out of curiosity, but later on we can see that, yeah, we can follow and we can get the information, why not? So if the content is valuable, people will definitely follow and interact, but here comes the human interaction and the connection. So,
but they do have also chatbots replying to the comments with emojis.
Do we really enjoy talking to AI all the time? So sometimes as a human, we like the human interaction.
Yes.
We like to have this connection with this real person.
Are you specifying a specific generation? Maybe the young generation are okay with it. Maybe we should do studies about this as well.
Yeah, maybe they are, but actually even some of the young generation, they like also the real connection, the human connection. So it depends on the personality as well, and again, on the content.
Preference. And to conclude, how do you see the future of AI on social media? Would we reach one day where we open and we see everything made by AI, zero personal content creation or content created by humans?
Actually, I don't think so, because now the challenge is, as a human, we need to learn how to use AI. And the more we learn about AI, the more we learn how to use AI, we'll start growing our content and skills, and all celebrities, influencers, companies will be integrating AI in their strategies.
Yes.
So I don't think there will be a day like just AI is there. However, like when we work on our content, on ourselves, definitely we will even grow more than AI, so yeah.
So your message is to learn AI, use AI, so that we can help ourselves produce maybe more content.
Exactly, because till now we can hear people talking about AI that we don't know anything about AI, it's too complicated, but now it's essential and we have to learn AI so we can take over the tools and make the most of AI in our daily activities.
Amazing. Elie, thank you so much for this beautiful conversation. I'm sure our listeners and our viewers enjoyed it as well. Thank you for sticking around, and I will see you in the next one.